How to fix YouTube video buffering issue. So if you're facing a problem with YouTube buffering, then first of all, you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might start to buffer. But if it's not the internet connection, then you can open up your settings, scroll down, go for apps, and then go for see all apps. And here you can go for the search icon, which is on the upper side, and then go for YouTube. And here you can go for storage and cache, go for clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that. And then you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the search bar and search for YouTube. And once you've searched, here you might have an update option. So if you have an update, then you might buffer. So you can simply tap on that update, and once you've updated, you can simply tap on open, and now you'll not face any problems. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can restart your device. Your device needs a restart. Simply tap and hold on to that power button, and then you can have this restart option. Simply go for the restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.